Hello friends, today I'm going to explain you about the program on how to find a factorial of a number. So at first we have initialized a scanner class here, and then we have initialized a variable called n. Then I'm asking the user to enter a number, and then we're storing that number in the variable n. Uh, After that we have initialized a variable called fact, and we have given its value as 1. Then we have created a for loop here where I have equated I with n. Then the condition that I have given is I is greater than 1 and I is decremented in every iteration. And the statement in the loop I have given is fact is equal to I into fact. So in the end I'm printing out the factorial of the number. So let us check if the program is running or not. Enter a number 5. So the factorial of the number 5 is 120. Correct. So let us go for the second program. That is that we have to draw a triangle pattern. So at first we have initialized three variables, that is I, j, k. Then we have given a for loop here. We have initialized I with 1. Then we have given a condition that I is less than or equal to 3 and I is incremented in every iteration. And we have given another for loop inside that for loop, and we have initialized j with 2, and the condition that we have given is j is greater than or equal to I, and j is decremented in every iteration. So this, and in this loop we have printing out the spaces. So this for loop we are using for spaces, and we have there is another for loop in which k is initialized with 1, and the condition is k is less than or equal to 2 into I minus 1, and k is incremented in every iteration. And in this loop we are printing out star. So this for loop is used for printing out stars, and another in the end we are printing out spaces. So we have two for loops for spaces and one for loop for star. So let us check if the program is running or not. See, we have a pattern is being created here. Let us check for another program. Now we are checking for, I'm going to explain you about the program of prime numbers, how to find prime numbers. So at first we have initialized the three variables, num1, count, I and j. Then we are asking the user to enter the range between the prime numbers. Then we are asking the user to enter the starting number and the ending number. After that we have given a for loop here, in which I is initialized with a num, and the condition is I is less than or equal to num1, and I is incremented in every iteration. Also we have equated count with 0. Another for loop is being given here, that is j is equated with 2, and the condition that we have given is j is less than I, and j is incremented in each iteration. Also we have given a condition here that if I is modulus of j is equal to 0, then we are incrementing count, the value of count in each iteration. Then if count is equal the value of count is equal to 0, then we are printing out the value of I. So let us check. So the program is asking us to enter the range. 1, ending range is 7. The prime numbers between 1 to 7 is 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. Now fourth program, we have to find the grade of a student. So at first we have initialized uh, initialized a variable called marks. Then we have initialized a variable grade of type string, and we are asking the user to enter the marks of the subject. And then we have given several conditions here, that if marks is greater than or is equal to 95, then grade is equal to 0. If it's greater than 90 and less than 95, it's S, then A, then B, according to the marks, according to the conditions, we are giving different grades here, and in the end fail. uh, Let us check if the program is running or not. Enter the marks of it. So let us type 65. So 65 is C grade. Now the next program. So this is the program of finding Fibonacci series. Fibonacci series. So at first we're asking the user to enter the number till where you want to print the Fibonacci series. So at first we have initialized a variable called num. Then we have initialized three variables a, b, and c. A with 0, b with 0, and c with 1. Then we are equating. Then we are adding the three variables a plus b plus c, and we are equating it with d. Then we are printing out. Then we have given a for loop here. uh, then we have given a for loop here, and we have given four statements that a is equal to b, and b is equal to c, and c is equal to d, and d is equal to a plus b plus c. So in the end this for loop will print out the Fibonacci series. I'm typing 9. So the Fibonacci series is 0 1 0 0 1 1 2 4 7 13 and 24. Hence all the programs are verified, and all the programs are checked, and the output is verified. Thank you.